Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Namaste everyone. So we have some good news for you today. There's an app created for downloading Pujya Swamiji's teachings onto your phone. Presently, this is available for Android operating system as well as for Apple, and it has been jointly created by under the auspices of Arsha Vidya Gurukulam and the Arsha Vidya Research Publications Trust, the latter which is responsible for the publication and archiving of all of Pujya Swamiji's talks. So the reason I thought of making this video was the first time that I tried to download the app, I had a little bit of difficulty just trying to find it. And so maybe this might serve of some use to everyone over here. So for starters, I use an Android phone, and so the operating system would be for the Android, of course. And if you're using an iPhone, I presume that the process should be very similar, though I have not really had real experience using it. So, but I'm pretty sure that it'll be the same. So the first thing that you do is, of course, you go to your Play Store. So you click on that button. Then you hit search, and in search you type Swami Dayananda Saraswati. So once you type Swami Dayananda Saraswati, you click there. And now here's the confusing part. So you'll see a couple of results, right? And so the first two that you see are actually the erstwhile Swami Dayananda from Arya Samaj, who lived about 100 or 120 years ago. And we are looking for Swami Dayananda Saraswati from Arsha Vidya Gurukulam, right? And so you see these buttons which say more. So you have an apps, and next to that you have more, and then you have music, and next to that you have more. So you're supposed to click on the more button which is placed next to the apps, and so you hit there. And now you see Pujya Swamiji's picture over here, and it says Teachings of Swami Dayananda. So the next thing you do is you click there. Now, since I already have the app installed, I have an uninstall option over here. But if you haven't installed the app and you're installing it for the first time, then there will be an install button. And so you go ahead and you click on the install button, which will show up on your particular screen. And once it is installed, it'll take maybe a minute or so to do that. And then you'll see there's an icon on your home screen or on your wherever you store it. And so you click over there, and this will open up the app. So a little caveat, the first time when you open the app on your phone, it might take approximately a minute to load, and I suppose this is because it is loading data onto the cache memory. And so once that is done, then each subsequent time you open the app, it will be instantaneous, just as in our case over here. So just talking about the app, the interface itself is very good. It looks good for starters, and it's also very user friendly, so you can interact with the application very well. So the way to go about it is that you have all these books listed, and I have arranged them in the form of a list, but you can also show grid, or rather you can show the grid, and this is the grid over here. And so the books, they are purchasable online, and depending on where you live, you'll see the price given below in your currency. So since I live in the US, the price is shown in dollars. Just one caveat over here: the prices are significantly cheaper if you look at them in rupees if you live in India as opposed to if you live in US. So they are definitely more cheaper if you live in India. So here are all the books you have, and you can sort them according to price. You can sort them according to alphabetical order and so on. And these are books which can be purchased. But as you go down further, you also have books which are available for free, and also low cost books, like you have books for $1, you have books for I've seen a few books even in rupees for like 20-25 rupees, so definitely worth downloading. And now these are some of the books which are free. Do all religions have the same goal? Conversion is violence. Guru Purnima, Danam. So these are some of his smaller booklets which are shaped after his talks. So they are transcribed from some shorter talks of his. So let's just download one for sample, right? So you click over here on Guru Purnima. You click there, and there's a button over here which says download, and it gives you the details, 27 pages, language, and so on. So you just hit download. Yeah. So once it gets downloaded, then it'll be replaced by a read book button. So you click there on the read book, and there you go. So the book is saved onto your phone, and you can access it whenever you want. So I hope this was helpful, and please go ahead and download the app, and also be sure that you leave a rating, like preferably a 5-star rating if you find it useful, because the more people who rate the book, the easier it is for people to search for it, and the higher up it shows on the search results when you type the name. and also it gains popularity and momentum, so it'll be more accessible to a whole variety of people, and definitely the effort that the Gurukulam put into creating it will be well worth. So thank you once again. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om.